Hello, friends. Welcome back once again. Today we will learn N400 Part 9 questions answers and the most asked vocabularies for your citizenship exam. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for appreciating me to create more videos for you. Let's watch till the end for the best preparation.
Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen in writing or any other way?
No.
What is immigration benefit?
Things like a visa, green card, or citizenship.
What are deportation proceedings?
Legal process of forcing someone to leave the U.S.
What is guerrilla group?
A group that uses weapons to fight the military, police, or government.
Define admission into the United States.
Enter into the United States.
Do you understand the meaning of prostitute?
Someone who does physical relation for money.
Define detain.
To force to stay.
Explain bear arms on behalf of the United States.
Use a gun to defend the United States during a war.
Define obtain.
To gain something.
Define cultivate.
Grow plant.
Define obtain immigration benefit.
To gain things like a green card.
Define cited.
Given a ticket by the police.
What are overdue taxes?
Didn't pay taxes on time.
Do you understand the meaning of advocated?
To support and promote.
What is crime?
An action that breaks the law.
What does U.S. Armed Forces mean?
U.S. Army, Navy, Air.
What is the meaning of convicted?
Found guilty of a crime under the law.
Define amnesty or pardon for.
Forgiveness for crimes committed.
Define removal.
Making someone leave the U.S.
What is order of nobility?
Like king or queen.
What is the Communist Party?
A group that believes the government should own and control everything. For example, North Korea.
What is prostitution?
Doing physical relation for money.
What is alimony?
Financial support.
What is establishment?
Starting or creating a group.
What is the meaning of confined?
Jailed by the police.
Define. Avoid being drafted.
Prevent. Being selected as a soldier.
What is military unit?
The official army for a country.
What is prison camp?
A camp to keep prisoners of war or political prisoners are kept.
What is oath of allegiance to the United States?
A promise to be loyal to the United States.
Have you ever been removed or deported from the United States?
No.
What is misleading?
Give a wrong idea.
What is combat?
To fight in a war.
What is incite?
To encourage.
What is alternative sentencing?
A different way to punish someone instead of going to jail, such as community service.
What is the meaning of unable to consent?
Could not agree.
Define. Deported.
Forced to leave a country.
What is police unit?
A group that enforces the law and stops crime.
Define. Participate.
To be part of.
What is overdue?
Late for a payment.
What is public benefit?
Money from the government, such as food stamps.
What is the form of government in the United States?
Republic.
What is non-resident?
Someone who doesn't live in the U.S.
What is allegiance?
To be loyal to something.
Define. Support dependent.
Pay child support.
What is assassination?
Killing someone famous or important.
What is labor camp?
A place where people are forced to work.
What is religion?
A belief in God.
What are narcotics?
Illegal drugs, such as heroin or cocaine.
What is the meaning of charged?
Formerly told that you did something illegal.
Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with, or have you ever provided money, a thing of value, services or labor, or any other assistance or support to a group that threatened, attempted, conspired, prepared, planned, advocated for, or incited others to commit any of these acts?
No.
What is weapons training?
To learn how to use a gun.
Have you ever advocated any of the following, or been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with any group, anywhere in the world, that advocated any of the following? Opposition to all organized government. World communism. The establishment in the United States of a totalitarian dictatorship. The overthrow by force or violence, or other unconstitutional means of the government of the United States, or all forms of law. The unlawful assaulting or killing of any officer or officers of the government of the United States, or of any other organized government, because of their official character. The unlawful damage, injury, or destruction of property. Or sabotage.
No.
Have you ever recruited, enlisted, conscripted, or used any person under 15 years of age to serve in, or help an armed group, or attempted, or worked with others to do so?
No.
What is prison or jail?
A place where the police keep people who have been arrested.
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes.
Define. Injure.
To hurt someone.
Can you tell me the meaning of proceeds?
A portion of money from a transaction.
What is suspended sentence?
Delayed sentence.
Define. Assist.
To help.
Have you ever served in the U.S. Armed Forces?
No.
Define. Perform non-combatant services.
Do any work in a war except fighting.
What is clemency?
Reduce a sentence.
What is controlled substances?
Drugs regulated by the government.
Do you understand the meaning of killing?
To cause someone to die.
What is register?
To sign up.
Do you now have, or did you ever have a hereditary title or an order of nobility in any foreign country?
No.
What is overthrow?
To remove a government by force.
What is weapon?
Like a knife or gun.
Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
What is Constitution?
The supreme law of the land.
What is work of national importance?
Tasks that are important to a nation.
What do you mean by enlist?
To sign up.
What is rebel group?
A group that fights a government.
What is rehabilitative program?
A program to help someone to recover from drugs or alcohol.
What is detention facility?
A place where people are forced to stay.
Define, distribute.
Give out.
Define, incite.
To encourage someone to do something.
Were you ever a part of any group, or did you ever help any group, unit, or organization that used a weapon against any person or threatened to do so?
No.
Define, owe.
Need to pay.
What is hijacking?
Taking control of a vehicle by force.
Have you ever served in, been a member of, assisted, or participated in any armed group, for example, paramilitary unit, self-defense unit, vigilante unit, rebel group, or guerrilla group?
No.
Define, recruit.
To ask.
Define, illegal.
Against the law.
Define, disability.
Limitations of ability.
What are examples of non-combatant services?
Nursing, cooking, or translation.
Have you ever helped anyone to enter or try to enter the United States illegally?
No.
Define, illegal.
Against the law.
Define, involved in.
Took part in.
What are unconstitutional means?
Methods that go against the Constitution.
Have you ever made any misrepresentation to obtain any public benefit in the United States?
No.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in causing harm or suffering to any person because of their race, religion, national origin, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion?
No.
What is rescission?
Canceling a visa to stay in the U.S.
What is assault?
To attack violently.
What is genocide?
To kill a whole race.
What is self-defense unit?
A group that protects a community using weapons.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in killing, or trying to kill any person?
No.
Meaning of civilian direction?
Direction, from non-military person.
What is totalitarian party?
A group that believes the government should control everything that people do.
What is file a tax return meaning?
Send a tax form to the government.
Define, destruction of property.
Ruin of property.
Have you ever manufactured, cultivated, produced, distributed, dispensed, sold, or smuggled any controlled substances, illegal drugs, narcotics, or drug paraphernalia, in violation of any law or regulation of a U.S. state, the United States, or a foreign country?
No.
Define, attempt.
To try.
What is lie?
Not true.
Have you ever gambled illegally or received income from illegal gambling?
No.
What is paramilitary unit?
A group that acts like the military but is not official.
What is the meaning of misrepresentation?
Provide wrong information.
What is the meaning of engage?
To participate.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes.
What is claim?
To say something without proof.
Define, civilian.
Anyone who is not in the military.
What is vigilante unit?
A group that acts like the police but is not official.
Do you understand hostilities?
Unfriendly behavior toward others.
What is false?
Not true.
Define, drafted.
Being selected as a soldier.
What is claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
To say you are a U.S. citizen.
What is registered to vote?
Sign up to choose a leader.
What is hereditary title?
A royal title, such as a prince or princess.
Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with, or have you ever provided money, a thing of value, services or labor, or any other assistance or support to a group that used a weapon or explosive with intent to harm another person or cause damage to property?
No.
Do you understand the meaning of opposition?
Going against something.
What is the meaning of have you ever?
Anywhere in the world, at any time.
Tell the meaning of dispense.
Give out.
Do you know what the person is called who marries more than one person at the same time?
Polygamy.
Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with any communist or totalitarian party anywhere in the world?
No.
What is vote?
To choose a leader.
What is offense?
Minor crime.
What is sabotage?
Intentionally damage or destroy something.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in torture?
No.
What is gamble or gambling?
To play a game for money.
What is alien?
Someone who is not a U.S. citizen.
Define sexual contact or activity.
Touching someone sexually.
What do you mean by transport?
Carry one place to another.
What is kidnapping?
Taking someone away illegally by force.
Have you ever registered to vote or voted in any federal, state, or local election in the United States?
No.
What is the meaning of did not consent?
Did not agree.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in intentionally and severely injuring or trying to injure any person?
No.
Are you currently a member of the U.S. Armed Forces?
No.
Do you understand the meaning of arrested?
Caught by the police.
Define with intent.
Purposely.
What are non-combat services?
Services that do not involve combat.
Define detained.
Forced to stay.
Define paroled or been paroled.
Allowed to leave prison early.
What is conscript?
To require to join.
Explain. Perform work of national importance under civilian direction.
Do non-military work during a national crisis under civilian direction.
What is weapon?
A knife or a gun.
Have you ever left the United States to avoid being drafted in the U.S. Armed Forces?
No.
What is probation?
Report to an officer regularly, instead of jail time.
Do you understand the meaning of sentence?
A punishment under the law.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined by any law enforcement officer, military official, or immigration official for any reason, or been charged with a crime or offense?
No.
What is armed group?
A group that carries weapons.
What is torture?
To cause great pain to someone.
Define, commit a crime.
To do something that breaks the law.
Have you ever been married to more than one person at the same time?
No.
What is oath?
A promise.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in genocide?
No.
What is mental impairment?
Mental damage.
Have you ever served in, been a member of, assisted, or participated in any military or police unit?
No.
What is pay alimony?
Give money to an ex-spouse after a divorce, as per court order.
What is national origin?
The nation where a person was born.
Have you ever engaged in prostitution, attempted to procure or import prostitutes, or persons, for the purpose of prostitution, or received any proceeds or money from prostitution?
No.
What is illegal gambling?
To play a game for money, that is against the law.
Meaning of bear arms?
Carry weapons.
What is explosive?
Bomb.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces?
Yes.
What is immigration benefit?
To gain things like a green card.
What is exemption?
Special permission for not doing something.
What is oath of allegiance?
A promise to be loyal.
Define, conspire.
To plan with others.
What is example of work of national importance under civilian direction?
Helping the Red Cross after an earthquake.
Have you ever failed to support your dependents or to pay alimony?
No.
What is drug paraphernalia?
Equipment to make or use illegal drugs.
Do you understand what unlawful is?
Against the law.
What is fraudulent?
Claim something that is not true.
What does the Constitution do?
Sets up the government.
What is smuggle?
Bring something illegally into the country.
Do you understand the meaning of threaten?
To tell someone you're going to hurt them.
What is the meaning of direct?
To be in charge.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in any kind of sexual contact or activity with any person who did not consent, or was unable to consent, or was being forced or threatened by you, or by someone else?
No.
Define associated with.
Connected to.
Define serve.
To work.
Define procure.
To encourage someone.